Welcome to the Biktrix workshop. In this video, we're providing a step-by-step Stunner Lite 3 assembly guide to get you on the road quickly. This lightweight cruiser e-bike features a powerful rear hub motor, and today we'll show you how to properly set up your Biktrix electric bicycle straight from the box for peak performance and safety. To begin, open the shipping carton and carefully lift the Stunner Lite 3 frame out. Remove all protective foam and zip ties from the e-bike. First, locate the front wheel and remove the plastic protectors from the wheel hub. Now, find the front quick-release skewer. This is usually located in the provided parts box or attached to the wheel. Unscrew the threaded end cap from the skewer and remove one tension spring. Slide the quick-release axle into the front wheel hub from the brake rotor side. Ensure any protectors on the opposite side of the hub are removed. Make sure the narrow end of the spring points inward toward the wheel hub. Reinstall the tension spring and the end cap by 2 or 3 turns. Next, remove the plastic protectors from the bottom of the fork and the mechanical brake caliper. Lift the front of the frame and align the slotted fork dropouts with the quick-release skewer. Carefully guide the brake rotor into the caliper and slide the fork down until the axle is fully seated. Tighten the cam lever clockwise. The cam lever should show resistance at the halfway point. Once tensioned, flip the lever to the fully closed position. With the front wheel installed, deploy the kickstand to stabilize the e-bike. Now, let's move to the handlebar assembly. Push the safety tab on the flip stem and open the stem lever. Using a 5mm Allen key, slightly loosen the internal adjustment bolt. You can now pivot the adjustable stem to your preferred angle, ensuring the handlebar grips are positioned for a comfortable cruiser riding posture. Once you've found the ideal ergonomic angle, retighten the center stem bolt and secure the flip lever downward. If necessary, use your 3mm, 4mm, or 5mm Allen keys to adjust the brake levers and display console to match your new handlebar position. Now, let's install the front cargo rack. Remove the 4 mounting bolts and washers from the head tube using a 5mm Allen key. Align the rack mounting points with the e-bike frame holes. Reinstall the bolts and washers to secure the rack to the Stunner Lite 3. You may need to route the left-hand brake cable around the rack, adjusting the spiral wire wrap to ensure the cables don't interfere with steering. Finally, locate your pedals, which are clearly labeled L and R. Left and right correspond to the sides as per your riding position. Apply a small amount of bicycle grease to the pedal threads to prevent seizing. Thread the right side pedal into the crank arm by turning it clockwise. For the left side pedal, thread it in by turning it counterclockwise. Ensure both are tightened firmly with a wrench. Your Biktrix Stunner Lite 3 is now fully assembled. Double-check all fasteners and tire pressures before your first ride. Enjoy the comfort and power of your new Biktrix Cruiser e-bike.